What's good, boss chicks? We have another collab, y'all. So we about to get right to it. Okay, sis. So we have another nail collaboration with Born Pretty. They reached out and asked if I would like to review some of their product, and then they gave me a choice of what products I could review, and I chose to get this six-pack of pastel gel colors. Now here, let's jump right into it. On the back here, there's some important information that you need to pay attention to. I like to point out that if you see like this 12M, that just means that you have 12 months from the time of opening before the product actually expires. Although some people like to keep their gel products longer than that, the quality will not be as good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the box. I'm not gonna show me actually swatching out these colors, honey, because we gotta get to some nails. But up first, we have the color 06, which all these colors kind of look a little bit different on camera than they do in person. That one looks like it's like a cream color, but it has a hint of yellow. Up next, we have 05, which is a pastel pink. This is a really pretty color. It's almost like a good base for a nude, but you're going to see that later on in the video. Then next up we have a 04. This is a really pretty color. Now I know lately I've been choosing a lot of spring colors with these collaborations, but they all kind of look alike because people are like my clients and stuff are choosing these colors and I don't want to run out. Now this color here do look a little bit different in person, and I thought that I was tripping. I'm like, don't these two colors look alike? But when I compared them side by side and looked through the camera, they were totally different. So more like a light blue and then a purple. And here is a pastel yellow. And every company's pastel yellow is a little bit different. Here are all the colors swatched out side by side. If you are interested in this collection, I will have it linked in the description box below, along with any other colors that you want to choose from through Born Pretty. You're more than welcome to check that out. So, sis, we're about to jump into something really simple as far as these nails go. We're going to do some Gel X nails today because I want to bring you something that I figured everybody can do, no matter your expertise level when it comes to nails. So, I've already applied my peel off base coat because I am a content creator, so I need to pop these nails right off. If you want these nails to last, go ahead and prep them the right way. I have a tutorial on how to prep your nails for longevity. It is under my nail application playlist. I'll leave it in the description box below. But I'm applying the UNA jelly tip with some base coat, and then I'm flash curing them into place, and then I'm going to cure them for a full 60 seconds in my Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Lamp. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these nails down a little bit. As you know, like with the pinky nail, it is always a little bit shorter than all of the rest of the nails. And once I trim them down to my desired size, I'm going to go ahead and buff them out. So what I was trying to show you here is those nail tips have like a little flower design on it. You know that you buff the nail real good when that little symbol disappears. You want to go ahead and buff these nails whether you're using it as a pop off method or you're going to be leaving the nails on. You're going to buff it because you want your gel polish to be able to stick to the surface of the nails. Otherwise, the net is going to peel right off. Once I'm done buffing all the nails, I'm going to go in with my small mandrel bit and start blending the sidewalls in the cuticle area. It just makes the nails look better to me. It makes them look like they're acrylic in the end, and it just blends really well with the cuticle area. But if you know, you know. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to go in and start to file the edge of the nail tip. File them straight to get those little pieces off that's always stuck at the end. Bring in those sidewalls, and I'm using, this is an 80 grit file, but it's not really an 80 grit file. This is technically my own personal file, so it's not an 80 grit anymore. I use it when I'm filming the content back to back. I recommend using a 100 grit or a 180. I would not use anything coarser than that. So once I'm done filing these nails, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them off with some alcohol, and then I'm going to get into the design of these nails. Here are the 5 colors that I chose for this design. I'm going to apply 1 color per nail, and then we are going to go in with a corresponding Louis Vuitton foil. Like I said before, the design is going to be fairly simple, but sis, when we got to the foil of this, when you see me apply the foil on my pinky nail, it's like it didn't want to transfer. But here's what I forgot to do. When you apply foil gel and you cure it in the lamp, allow it to cool down first before you apply the foil. Otherwise, you're not going to get a really clean transfer. I knew this. It was like I was just so into doing the nails that I didn't even think about it. And I forgot when I did my pinky nail. Also, I was filming back to back videos, so I didn't want to go back and redo the pinky at all. I did go back and apply more foil gel, allow it to cool, and then cut out some pieces of that foil and just kind of replace the parts that were missing. Although it still didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. Just learn from my mistakes and you'll see what I mean. And after that, I decided that I wanted to apply some bling. So I'm going to do some cuticle bling placement, and this design will be a wrap. So if you enjoyed today's video and it's been helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and joining our nail community. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and drop those in the comments section below. If there's anything I missed, let me know that as well. Again, I am going to leave this gel polish kit in the description box below with a link. So if you want this one, or if you want to choose some different colors, you're more than welcome to do so. So we have another collaboration coming up. So stay tuned to the channel. Be sure that you have on your post notifications so that you do not miss out on every time that I post a new video. I'm coming in hot, applying all gas 2024, no breaks. But let me know what else you would like to learn. Like I said, question, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop those in the comment section. I do read my comments. It may take me a little bit to get back to them, but I definitely will get to your comments. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all your love and your support. I definitely appreciate it. Stay tuned for the final result, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.